Vanakkam. I think in this coronavirus lockdown time, many people have understood, that we've put all our eggs in one basket, and the system that has been functioning that allowed us to buy food in shops and the distribution of food with centralization and industrialized agriculture doesn't work. And that if we had this problem again, well, what are we going to do? This is the time to act. This is a time where people are all thinking about this, and this is a time when we have to do something, and we have to ask ourselves, how can we become sustainable with our food? How can we achieve food security? Now, who is offering that solution? Who is telling us, we'll do this, and we'll do this, and we'll do this? I don't see those solutions, but those solutions for me are very apparent, and I'd like to offer those solutions. Those solutions imply a very clear intention that we rediscover our relationship with where our food comes from, and that means eating local food, and it also means growing food. Now, I don't have a solution about the cities, but here where I live in this bioregion and in all the villages, everyone has a small piece of land, at least to do a small garden of, say, 3-meter diameter. And I propose that we create a team of people that help create these gardens in our bioregion. And in each garden, there is at least one drumstick spinach that gives 1 meal a week. There is a papaya tree that gives at least green papaya and fruit. There is one banana that potentially has the banana flower, banana stem and bananas. And that there is a fruit tree in the middle of that. And around that there's a few tapioca plants, maybe a pineapple, maybe some small herbs like tipali and moratakan, maybe some chicken spinach. And that each garden in this bioregion, for example, we have, many gardens. And if every household had one garden like that and committed to create this garden, maintain this garden, and explore how to use those plants, I think that this will not only be about growing these foods, I think it will be about growing our consciousness, growing our awareness about our relationship with Mother Nature, which is, again, a reflection of what we eat. So I propose this as a solution for sustainability in this bioregion. Every household has a garden. In every garden, there's a handful of identified local plants. That we have in solitude 1,000 ramphal trees, 1,000 drumstick spinach, 1,000 chicken spinach. We have the plants ready for people. And that other people take up that challenge of, okay, well, I'll also start a nursery to help support this project. And then we have teams of people who go to people's houses and help make those gardens. And those people will go up and follow up with those people to make sure that they've understood, to make sure that that's working. It's not like we did a garden, now it's yours, you manage. We'll feel that they're our gardens. They are our responsibility. And that this becomes a collective endeavor to create sustainability on a collective level, on a large collective level. I think if we could do this, and I believe we can, we put a man on the moon. If we put a man on the moon, surely we can do this. So, this is an ongoing process, and this is something I'd like to share with you, and we will come back to it in detail with starting to do videos on each of those specific plants, how to grow them, how to use them, how to eat them, and how to create the nursery. All the videos hopefully will be in tune with this aim of sustainability on a collective level. Thank you very much. The change is in our hands.